Hey, welcome back to Homegrown Country Home Place, friends. How y'all doing? Well, I just got finished servicing my front and rear differentials on this 2017 Subaru Forester, and I'm going to go ahead and do my service on my CVT transmission here. And first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take out this fill plug. It takes a 8mm hex socket, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out. The next thing I'm going to be doing is got a little bit of fluid coming out there. Next thing I'm going to be doing is draining the pan here for the CVT. Now I've got it all drained out. Now I'm just going to reinstall this drain plug. I'm going to torque it down about 24 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'll go ahead and start putting my CVT fluid back in it. I bought this suction pump just to do this job. I didn't want to contaminate fluid with any kind of other fluid with my other pumps. So I guess it's something to be mindful of. Just have your pump just for this fluid. You don't want to contaminate it. Not really sure how much fluid it's going to take. I bought 6 quarts of this Subaru CVT F2 fluid. So I'm just going to fill it up until it starts coming out, and then we'll crank the car up. We're going to be getting it up to anywhere between 97 and like 110 degrees, something like that. I'm not really sure. And you just want that fluid, run it through the gears and get it circulated, and then the fluid will start coming out. And once that transmission gets the right temperature, and we'll check it with our scan tool, then we can put the drain plug back in it and torque it down, and it'll be ready to go.
$106.
What I did, I got it up to about 106 degrees and let the CVT fluid come out, and when it come to a slow, steady stream, I just went ahead and put the plug back in it, and I'm going to torque it down to 37 foot-pounds. And that's it, y'all. So I'm good to go on my transmission now. Got it changed out, like 30,000 miles. So what we did maintenance on the front and rear differentials, and also on this transmission here, CVT. And so appreciate y'all coming along, and appreciate y'all watching. And as always, friends, from our family to yours, y'all have a blessed day. We'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.